something new, or maybe just something for today. Hey all, you're Hurtin' Hippie here with his weekend rant. I'm on my way to the grocery store to get a birthday cake for my son. It's Saturday. His birthday was last week, but he wasn't with me last week. So today we're having a little party, just family. And as I was walking here, we were, oops, sorry guys, we were having a really good morning. Still are, but it's afternoon now. And we've been listening to old music, CCR, Simon Garfunkel, things like that, back in the hippie days. And it got me thinking, got me wanting to talk. Got me wanting to talk about certain things, especially the sad way society has gotten. Back in my day, and I'm talking early 70s, protest was a thing that you learned. You learned to respect. You learned to do it because it was important. The elite were taking us into stupid wars and wars that made no sense at all, and were killing thousands of people just for money. And we fought hard, and we fought long, and we fought peaceful. Yet here we are in the 2016 of the new millennia, and people are fighting to shut people up. The new protests are things like Black Lives Matter, saying we want our own places that are just black only, calling for new segregation in the order of safety. People trying to ban words because they hurt other people's feelings. People trying to ban complete phrases and phraseology and stuff like that. We still have a lot of youth out there protesting, but they protest the wrong things. It's scary. They don't understand what they're asking for. They're asking the government to pretty well put a band-aid on everything so that you can never be hurt throughout your life while you're growing up. Who raised this group of people that are asking us to protect them so badly, instead of having been raised to protect themselves and those around them, to be strong, to be forthwith and courageous, not hear a word and cower, and in universities needing places where they don't need to hear other people's opinions, because oh boy, that could really hurt. We're dumbing down society way too much, and people need to speak up. I don't often politicize this channel, but as a hippie, I can't stand by and watch this kind of protest calling for what we were fighting against back in the 60s and the 70s. We asked for freedom. Now people are saying, let's cut the freedom off. Canada's getting one of the worst as to curtailing our freedoms. It's really, really getting bad, where we can actually be charged. Well, there's proposed laws going forward that if they go forward, we could actually be charged for mistakenly calling a transvestite a he instead of a she, or pronouns. You could get a criminal record for the wrong pronoun in New York. It's ridiculous. People need to grow thick skins. We are the top of the food chain. If we're the top of the food chain, we shouldn't be walking around scared of words. We shouldn't be scared of much. So my friends, reach out. Teach your children well. Their father's hell will surely go by. Yeah, I've been listening to lots of old music and the sounds of silence.